Can he add to his haul this evening? One of the great things about football is that no one knows for sure what's going to happen. Let's see what unfolds here tonight. I'm Derek Ray, and joining me today on the commentary gantry is Sue Smith. I'm very excited to bring you the second and decisive leg of this tie. Your expectations?
Well, I did wonder what the atmosphere was going to be like in here, and unless they find an early goal, you just can't see a way back into it. Hopefully I'm proven wrong, but it's going to need a quick start and a little bit of luck, you feel.
This is how it looks for the home side.
Well, it does look to be a 3-4-2-1, and the flexibility in this will be provided by the wing-backs. The two midfielders can help in both defence and attack, and they'll look to dominate that midfield battle.
This is how the visitors will set up today.
Yeah, looks like they've lined up in a 4-4-2, and they do look balanced in this system. You can defend deep, stay compact, bring the opposition forward, then hit them quickly on the counter-attack.
So, underway, and we expect intensity, passion, and a few goals for good measure. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. And room now out on the flank. Very quick thinking there. Really well played pass.
Oh, his vision is just top class, isn't it?
Opportunity, and safely dealt with. Who can they pick out? Strong hand on that one. Ito. Well, we've seen and felt the confidence right from the off, haven't we?
Yeah, they've got a strong record against this team, and it shows. They're really looking up for this today.
Must take the lead here, and they have. You've got to say, it has been coming.
Well, if we watch this again, it's a lovely technique. Sees the goalkeeper's position, decides to chip him, and gets it just right. It's a great goal.
One 0 then. Ito. Malone. Decent idea. Opportunity to level it. And the flag has gone up here. Offside it is. Read that pass all the way, cutting it out. That's a good-looking ball. Can he put it away? Full marks to the keeper.
Oh, no idea. You just expected it to go in from there, but the keeper had other ideas. It's a top-class save.
Corner kick played in. Still pressure. Well, he was keen to give that one a go. Sadly, lacking a bit of accuracy. Marlon Fossey. Well, made it look routine, but read it well. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Ito. And playing it through. Oh, a really confident stop in a challenging situation. Well, they could break at pace. Well, a disappointing end to that break. And conceding the throw-in. Superb effort to keep it in. Can they exploit the space out wide? And a good-looking ball. Well, defensive resilience there. And a clear foul. Otar Kitaishvili. Now a decent position. Can he do it? And denied by the keeper. Impressive. Now in a more than decent position. This could level it. Oh, that's a fine save. Foiling a real chance. Well, that's as good a challenge as you're likely to see.
He was living dangerously there. You've got to get that right, and he did.
Well, this could really help the cause. Read it well and made the save. Decent delivery. Oh, tremendous header that time, but the goalkeeper was there. Good idea. And the keeper, opportunity. Now opening things up. And he got to it fairly easily.
I can't believe they're behind it. The amount of chances they've created. They must be so frustrated with themselves. If they can be clinical, there's goals here for them, I'm sure.
Difficult from there, and not quite putting it where he wanted to.
Well, that's unlucky. It's not far away, but they'll be hoping that they don't rue these missed opportunities.
And with play stopped, they will make the change now. And there it is, the half-time whistle. I think most fans would be pretty happy with this man's display so far.
Yeah, he's played well, hasn't he? Obviously took his goal well, but his overall performance has been impressive too. Hopefully he can maintain that level in the second half.
So they get the second half going here. Oh, a fine block. Now the quick counter-attack could be on. A good vision there. And just like that, the counter-attack comes to an end. Teammates available. Oh dear, up a dead end. It was promising. Oh, commanding goalkeeping. They favoured a short one here. Promising possession, this. This could be the equaliser. Oh, excellent goalkeeping. Trying to deliver it accurately. Gets his glove on it. Throw-ins given. To level matters. Well, somehow the goalkeeper got to it. Who can they pick out? Could still be dangerous. Not smooth in possession. Well, if you've been poring over the newspapers this morning, you'll know full well that...
Oh, they could be in here.
Still alive. Oh, good-looking run. Played it to the centre. Well, really, it had to be further away from the keeper. Effective pressure. Delightful pass. Surely the equaliser. And all eyes on the referee. Penalty given. And it's also going to be a booking.
Yeah, and it had to be. It's a poor decision. He'll know that.
And it is substitution time at this juncture. Not just from one side, but from both. Chance to equalise here. And there it is! Perfectly executed.
Well, if you have a look at this again, it's a cool, calm penalty. The goalkeeper goes the wrong way and it's finished well. It's a really good strike.
Halkett. Pass, and justifiably so.
Yeah, they're controlling things right now, that's for sure.
Well, he's given us away. Malone. Decent chance. Oh, that's a fine save. Managed to get it out of there. Takes the shot. Oh, that's splendid play. And a harmless cross gobbled up. Decent looking ball. Offside the decision. They decided that now is the time to go to the bench. Annoyingly, there it breaks down.
Yeah, really well organised off the ball there.
"15 minutes left for play. A running room in the wide position. Now breaking at pace, potential danger. And the right place to cut out the pass. Nicely played. Composed play in possession. Very effective pass. Well, he gave it quite the whack, but not on target. Untidy in possession. Decent position. Miles from goal. And the keeper got there, and comfortably. Only 5 minutes left for play, and tension galore with the teams locked together. Must take the lead here. And they do! And with so little time left, that will surely be decisive. Astonishing drama.
Here it is again, and the keeper won't be happy with his positioning here. Leaves a lot of the goal to aim at, but it still has to be finished off, which he does so convincingly.
So back underway at 2-1. Tight contest here. Malone. And pressing for the equaliser. But quick thinking defensively. This could level it. And all square now. And you have to ask the question, is there time for either side to win it?
Well, here it is again, and this is great pressure, high up the field. They don't just go in ones and twos, they all go together, and that makes it so difficult to play out. Then it's a nice finish after that.
Marlon Fossey. We've been waiting to find out, now we know, a minimum of 3 added minutes here. really well. Room to roam on the wing. There's the final whistle. The travelling fans are full of the joys because they are moving on.
Well, they've been brilliant, haven't they? Thoroughly deserved to progress. Some of the attacking play's been great to watch. There will be sterner tests to come, but they must be brimming with confidence after that.
Hi, sorry, can we just grab a moment of your time? That'll be all. Thank you so much.